All right, today is the 21st of May, 2024, and these are my trading notes. I was long a couple of times this morning. Once was pre-market, got in over here, and this is for my benefit. If you watch it and get something out of it, that's great. But I'm making it mainly for myself, so I can come back and check it, see what I was thinking. So I've been playing around with Heiken Ashi candles, and they seem to be working pretty well. This is a 2-minute chart. Let me pull up. Sorry about that. There we go. But I used some other indicators with it. Now this purple line is the VWAP, and I'm not an expert on any of this stuff, but I've been trading a long time. So now I know everybody says, well, people I've watched their videos, they say, oh, if you use the VWAP, just keep the middle line, forget the other two. But today I used them as a target after we got in in the market once the market opened. But like I said, I got in here. I think I took out 2 points. I was just kind of playing around with it, but I was really watching the DMI and the MACD, and this is the TTM Squeeze. All right, so I've got a little bit of money on that one, on that trade. But here's the one I really want to show, because it looks like it's getting ready to go short. And I'm already done for the day. I've made 2 trades, and I don't want to press it. The big money, it's 11:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so I figure the big money's they're still in the game, I'm guessing, but I've already made my money. I'm done. So what I was looking for was a turnaround, and it got up to VWAP. This level right here is, let me show this real quick here. This was, I drew this over from yesterday's low right here, and it came over. It's just a level. It's not an exact number, but it played in here and could not continue on down. So I figured, okay, it looks like it might want to go back up. So I was basing that time for that support zone as something to give it a try. So that's what I did. And let's get back over here. So here is what I look for. So the MACD already crosses up. You got these green candles in here. Like I said, they're Heiken Ashi. And what I see with these people, they'll say you need a flat bottom and then get in on the next candle to whatever side, or a flat top if you're going short. So like right here would be a short candle. The next candle after that first flat top. But with me, it's not there yet because it's getting there right now, though. And I'll show you why. This morning, here was my 1, 2, 3 reversal, or double bottom, whatever you want to call it. It's 1, 2, 3. You buy above this high right here, and everything was already crossing over. So these were already going blue, which means it's going up, or it's going bullish. The MACD had already crossed the cream. The blue is above the cream. I'm sorry, this is the MACD, this is the DMI. Both of them blue across the cream, blue above. So I was looking for a bullish entry. I did not take it when I should have, which was above this high right here. So I should have gotten in at the way when I say that should have, that's the way I usually trade. So I should have gotten in at 29. I went ahead and let it start and let it hit. And so once everything was bullish for sure, here's the way I played it. I got in when it was in the 30s. I got in at 30 and a quarter, and then as it came down below like 29.50 or whatever, I'd add another contract. I'm on a Apex. They're running a special right now. Apex prop firm has a $250,000 account for $19 right now for till the end of the month. So I just jumped on it. I said, what the heck? Let me start trading more contracts. So, excuse me, I was up to 7 contracts on this one. And then as we started getting in the money here, once it broke this, everything was looking bullish, like I said. So I had my stop down here originally below this low. And I know it's kind of long stop, but it kept me safe below the red line is the 20. This is the 8, the blue line. So everything, like I said, is just bullish as can be. I used the 34, which is the upper band of the VWAP as my target. And I started fading a few of the trades, a few of the contracts. I started pulling them out at 33, 33 and a quarter and all that. And then once it broke up, and if you look here, this is going up, that's going down. This was curving around, and that's what I don't trade the MACD by itself, because it already gave you a sell signal to get out, which without the DMI, I just don't trust it. But right now, the way I would trade this, if I was going to get in this again, I'd sell it below this low. One way you could trade it, because everything has crossed, is you could get in right now and put your stop above that high right there, that flat top. Here was the next candle, but this had not crossed over yet. So yeah, and then right now it's not looking good. So I like support to be broken right there. That's why I use that 1, 2, 3. Well, here's a 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The 3 position cannot go on up above the 1 position, so you sell below the 2, and then make your stops accordingly. But right now, it's got some strength. So the only way I would trade that is to be below that low. But I'm going to pause it right now and come back and see if it ever does go down and break that. It could go on back up and be bullish for the day. We will see, but I'll come back and check this out here. Yeah, so this is the 15-minute chart, and it's looking really bullish right now. So that was probably a good, well, like I said, I'd say the only way I'll trade it is to have a break. Here's like this little 1, 2, 3. You got 1, 2, 3. Boom, break below. You had it. Here's another one yesterday on this 15-minute. You got 1, 2, 3. Sell below that low. Boom, you got all that. So that's kind of the way I've been trading that. Here's another one. 1, 2, 3. Below the low. I've been trading that since the 90s. That one pattern, and it's a pretty good pattern to use. So yeah, the higher time frames are going to be more reliable. Here's a 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute wasn't even getting near. Now that's another thing too. Let's go back, and like I said, I'm talking to myself here, folks. This is my trading, and I'll come back and watch these videos. So here is what I explained on that other one, whether you get on that 2-minute chart, where everything was coming together, the crossover, the move up, and that was right in at that 28 level. That was that 1, 2, 3. So that was one of the reasons I got in that trade, because it was a good solid move with the 5-minute and the 2-minute. But right here, if you look, the 5-minute isn't even near going short. So that's what keeps you out of the trade. So anyway, I'll probably sign off right now. Like I said, I'll go back for my notes on this. I know it kind of went long. If you watched it, fine. Give it a thumbs up if you don't mind. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.